The python is in danger. One of these blows could break its back. It retreats to the cover of a bush. It's safe from the lions here, at least for the moment. After all the excitement, a deep draught of warm milk brings back some calm. The rock pride relaxes, but the python can't leave well alone. After an hour, it emerges. Seriously marked by its wounds. It seems the scent of the lion cubs overcomes the pain. The mothers have finally had enough. They surround the python. It has little fight left.